Withdrawing money from your Robinhood account after an account review is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth withdrawal. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Robinhood app or website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account that has passed the review. Step 2. Navigate to the Account tab. Once logged in, locate the Account tab, usually represented by an icon or your profile picture. Click on it to access your account settings and balance information. Step 3. Select the Transfer option. In Account Settings, look for the option labeled Transfer or Withdraw. Click on this option to begin the withdrawal process. Step 4. Enter withdrawal amount. You will be prompted to enter the amount of money you wish to withdraw. Input the desired amount, ensuring it does not exceed your available balance. Step 5. Confirm the withdrawal. Review the details of your withdrawal request, including the amount and destination account. Once confirmed, submit the request. You should receive a notification regarding the status of your withdrawal. After completing these steps, your withdrawal request will be processed. Keep an eye on your bank account for the funds to arrive, and feel free to reach out to Robinhood support if you encounter any issues.